Well, here it is, everybody. The Renogy, brand new, released November 18th. The semi-solid state lithium iron phosphate battery. Looking forward to this unboxing. So with this battery, the maximum continuous charge current is 120 amps. So you can really feed this battery some power. The maximum continuous discharge is 150 amps, not like 100 amp, but this is 150 amp. That gives you you're able to run multiple appliances, heavy appliances that add up to 150 amp releasing power. It's just amazing. It's new technology that's just out. The peak discharge current on this is 350 amps at 30 seconds. So this battery packs a wallop. It's a really good battery. I've been waiting to get my hands on this and finally got it. The cycles on this is 6,000 cycles to 80% depth of discharge. So this battery is going to last you a very, very long time. The charge temperature range is from -20 to 55 degrees Celsius. So that's about -4 Fahrenheit, 130 Fahrenheit, 131 Fahrenheit, I think, in around there, the charging temperature range. So because it's self-heated, you can use this battery up to -20. You can charge this battery, same thing, at -20. So for us Canadians up here, this is a really good battery to have if you're looking to upgrade into the lithium iron phosphate batteries. Excuse me. Dimensions of this battery, we've got it's 12.8 inches long, so this way, 7.4 inches wide, and the height is going to be 7.4 inches tall. So I've got a Group 31 battery box here, just a standard battery box. It's going to be a little bit tight for side to side, the width, but we're going to try and put it in a standard battery box. So see how we can do there. Same with discharge temperature on this. It's -20 Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. So well within Canadian camping range when we get into our winters and stuff. Extending your camping season, which is really good. If you had this inside your unit, then you could camp indefinitely, even into -30 degree weather. So the weight of this battery, it's just about 30 pounds. It's a little bit on the heavier side, but it's built like a tank. It's got a metal box around it. It's just, you'll see it when I get it out here. Just an amazing battery. I'm just so excited to get into it. Well, you know what? Let's just get into it. I can't wait. So here we go. This is me just opening it up for the first time. So of course we're going to have our manual sheet, information user manual right there, warranty card. Of course you get some decals with it, so that's what you get there. You've got mounting plates that come with it. They bolt onto the battery, and then you can bolt it down to the floor, so it's very solid. And these are steel brackets. They're not plastic brackets. You've got all the screws that you need for it as well in the packet. So those are there. You've got your M8 bolts, 2 different lengths. So metric. They look like they're stainless, so that's really good. Packed very well. Incredibly well. Holy, I'm excited to get this out of here. That's it in the box. It's even got the heavy duty corners, so that if it does get dropped, it's well protected. So I'm happy with that. Way over energy. Ooh, got a knife, I might as well use it. Oh, this is nice. Okay, look at that, guys. 12.8, 120 amp hour, semi-solid state. Your internet connects, or your CAN bus connects for multiple batteries. This is your Bluetooth antenna. Very strong. This is nice. I really like this. The so when you have your connectors on, if you have something that's over the top, it's not going to short out your terminals across. So that's really nice. All right, here's where you can bolt your metal brackets to. They're really nice. They're stainless as well, so very nice. Very nice battery. It's got the 2 handles, one there, and metal case on it. Let's try this Group 31 battery box. I've got one here. I'm excited to try it. Kind of makes you wonder. Let's see what we can do with this. First of all, look at that. Let's get this fit in here. So this is just a standard Group 31 battery box. There you go. Fits in there very nicely. Probably going to be a bit of a bear to get out, but I would probably put some like a strap around it, so that if you did have to remove it, you could. But there it is, everybody. That is the new, released November 18th, I do believe it was, to the public, of this year, 2025. It's right now December 20th, and I've got my hands on one, and I'm excited to put it into my little vintage trailer. We're going to have 2 separate systems. I've got everything, all my electrics are in here. I've got 4 100 amp hour batteries. It's set up. I've got solar. I've got a solar charge controller, DC to DC. I can get into more specifics if you want. Just maybe leave a comment below. But that's the new one that's out. I'm excited to get it in. Thanks, everybody.